Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and change folder icon on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook. So it can be any MacBook. So now when you open it, this is what you'll have in front of you. Of course, your screen with your icons and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change folder icon on MacBook. So it is pretty simple. First of all, let's go and create an icon. So let's go and create a folder to, of course, have it here for the testing. So right click on new folder, and here we have our new folder, as you can, of course, go and see now. So now when we have this folder here, we can go and right click on the folder. Here we have, as you can see, a ton of options that you have. So the option that we need to see is customize folder, as you can see. We're going to, of course, go and do some tweaks. So here, as you can see, you can change the color of the folder, how you want it to be, of course. You can, of course, go and click on to remove all the tags in the photo. Click on this plus here. We have, as you can see, where you can edit tags, home, work, as you can see, how you want to have it here. The folder, we have some people where you can, of course, put in people or some, of course, sorry, not people, but the stickers and icons, of which you can, of course, go and put on the folder. So let's say if it's something with eyes, people, as you can see, you have a lot of icons here. Animal that you can change the folder to of course have it like that. And this is for this specific folder. As you can see, a lot of icons are here so that you can easily go and find your folder and what you need for it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.